My name is Nicole, and today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of staying hydrated. We know that staying hydrated is critical for you to be able to perform your job safely. It's also critical for overall health. Staying hydrated helps the heart pump blood more easily through blood vessels to the muscles, enabling muscles to work more efficiently. Dehydration and ongoing threat in your work, especially during the hot summer months, causes a host of issues. Some more mild, like headaches or fatigue, but others life-threatening, like heat stroke. For most people, water is the best thing to drink to stay hydrated. We know you have options. We want to make sure you power your body with proper fuel, and that includes what we drink. Sugary beverages, while delicious, are the main culprit for an unbalanced and poor diet. Did you know things like soda, energy drinks, sport drinks, and sweetened teas and coffee are the #1 source of added sugars in our diet? Added sugars go by many names: sucrose, glucose, maltose, dextrose, high fructose corn syrup, cane syrup, and even healthy sounding things like concentrated fruit juice, agave nectar, and honey. That's right, some drinks that appear to be healthy are actually high in calories and added sugars. To ensure proper hydration while also reducing our daily sugar intake, we want to replace sweetened drinks with better choices. Here are some tips on how to switch to healthier drinks that will quench your thirst and still taste good. Read nutrition labels and ingredients. Look at the label carefully because one container may be more than one serving, which can double or triple the added sugars you're getting. Avoid drinks containing caffeine, which acts as a diuretic and causes you to lose more fluids. Choose water. Keep a refillable water bottle nearby to make water the easy choice. And try seltzer or sparkling water if you prefer bubbly drinks. If you get bored, try adding flavored water enhancers. Just make sure to read the nutrition label so you aren't adding sugar back into your drink. If you drink sugary drinks or use sweeteners, cut back. For example, cutting back servings of energy drinks, say 3 down to 1, can make a huge difference. And start reducing the amount of sweetener in your coffee or tea. This will gradually adjust your taste and you'll prefer less sweetness over time. If that seems like a challenge, try adding plain or sparkling water to keep the flavor with less added sugars per serving. A lot of people ask about low-calorie artificial sweeteners, such as diet drinks or things with equal or sweet and low. These are what the American Heart Association labels as non-nutritive sweeteners, since they offer no nutritional benefits such as vitamins or minerals. We don't know for sure if using these artificial sweeteners makes people eat or drink fewer calories per day, but reducing the amount of added sugars in your diet, that we know for sure is a good thing. So take a minute and think about what you drink. As you make healthy choices, choose beverages that are low in added sugars. You will be shocked at the impact on your body. You can lose weight, lower blood pressure, and triglyceride levels, all risk factors for heart disease. And do your best to add more water. Few of us drink enough and our bodies crave it. So drink up, here's to your health.